Knowify's submittals feature can make it easier for you to request and approve submittals from different contractors working on your projects. To start, open up the project that you would like to use when creating this request for submittal. Click the tab that's labeled Submittals at the top of the screen, and in the top right corner you'll see that you have the option to send a submittal for approval, but in the drop-down menu you'll also have the option to request a submittal from one of your contractors. First, you'll give the submittal a title. Once this is entered, you also have the option of giving a submittal number and a revision number as necessary. Then you can choose who you need submitting this from your list of vendors. It will automatically populate their email from what we have on file, and you can enter a brief description of what you need them to submit. Aside from a description, you'll also have the option to upload any necessary files. We'll upload an image of some plans, and then we'll send this request to the sub. This will mark the submittal in your account as awaiting submission, so you know that you haven't received a response from the sub yet. And it will send an email to the subcontractor with a link so they can send in their submittal for your approval. This link will pull them to a portal where they'll have all of the information that you included when you were initially creating this request for submittal. It'll have the submittal number, the name, the description, and of course any images or files that you've uploaded. Then when they respond, they have the option of uploading their own files, in this case something like edited plans, and they can send their own response as well. Sending this response will send you an email letting you know that the sub has responded to your request for submittal, and that link can serve as a portal for them to see if you've responded to their submittal yet. The email that you receive will also have a link directly to the submittal page in your Knowify account, and here you'll be able to see their submittal, open up the files and comments that they've submitted, and if necessary, request another revision from them. You also have the option to delete this, and then you have the option to approve or send to a final third party for approval as well. Once the submittal has been approved, you'll have all of the information, images, and records on file for if you ever need to reference this again in the future. Simply click on this approved submittal. You'll get a history log. You'll see the initial request that you sent, and you'll see anything that's been submitted by your sub that you sent this to initially. If you have any other questions on how to use our submittals feature or how to get access in your account, please email us at support@knowify.com.